Hi guys, TinaGale here, and I am back. This is going to be the final prepping video, and I'm actually not going to glue it together for you because it's similar to what we've already done, but I just wanted to do a wrap up. So on this page here, it's one of the snap pages that is in the album. On the back, we're going to do a little pocket for some cards and photos. So this is just a 4x6 cut apart, and notch out your circle here so that it's easier to grab your things that are in there. Adhere your score tape on the bottom three sides and then just place it towards the bottom. Make sure that you watch for your hole that's punched and you don't cover it up. If you do cover it up, nothing's ruined, just punch through it. It will be fine. And then you can embellish. We're going to do the same thing on the back cover. So on the front cover, we did a vertical pocket to tuck things in, and this one we just adhered on the bottom and the side over here so that we could pull things in and out. And I've already tucked a little Christmas card that I got from my boss this last week, so that's in there. So for this back cover, you do the same thing. If you're following the instructions, you're just going to have a 4x6 cut apart, and you're going to adhere the bottom three sides to create a pocket. Now, because at this point I've pretty much used all of my paper throughout, and these are leftovers that I can tuck in, change out if I like it better, whatever. So I have some papers and some choices left over. I'm not wild about this poinsettia on here. I don't have a problem mixing white and cream, but on this, the prints are very similar, but yet the white is just really stark to me. I think it would be lovely if we bordered it with a plaid or, a darker color, either the red or the green, where it kind of separated. I think that would be pretty. But since I have paper left over, if I was going to keep it the 6-inch, I think I would cut this. I love this. This is so much better. And that would be a nice wrap up. But I was also thinking, with a paper that doesn't have a direction, you could turn it this way and cut it larger. And so I think that's what I'm going to do. I may use this one. I love this black plaid. I don't think I really have it anywhere else. I think there was one little spot, and of course it shows up here. So I may tuck some of that back into the album and other places so that you can see it more and it doesn't seem out of place. But I'm just going to check that because it doesn't stand out that I have a whole lot. But I would love to have just a little bit larger pocket to do like Christmas cards. Some of the Christmas cards are larger than just your typical A-size card. So I think that's what I'll do. I'm going to cut it larger here to the three sides and make my pocket on the back, and that's going to finish all of my prepping pages. Now I thought I would go and touch on something. A lot of people have been going back and watching my older December daily prepping albums, so it's reminded me of a few things that I did that add so much to the album, but it really doesn't take a lot of time, and that's using a journaling pen and outlining areas. So let me find one. I did a couple so that you could kind of see. I should have had it marked. Here's one. So this little card here, I went and just roughly outlined. This is not a stark, keeping the lines very straight. This is just a loose outline, and hopefully you can see that. Pull that up. And it just adds so much. It creates like a shadow and dimension to a flat surface. You can also get out your stickles or your Wink of Stella. I don't think I'll go that far because I like the country rustic look of these papers and albums, so I don't think I want to put glitter in. But remember, I have numbers, I have enamel dots, I have puffy stickers, more chipboard pieces, so there's going to be a lot of dimension added. But that is just something really quick to do that adds so much that I want to go ahead and add. This is another one that I did, was just this little snow globe. He was so flat. I mean, he was cute, but he was so flat. but with just that little bit of inking, it just pops. So you might want to add that in. That's all I have for prepping the pages. I may be back and kind of do a little bit of a flip through. I try not to do that since these are instructions that were provided by Simple Stories, but we'll see, or I might show an older one that's been a while. So I hope you've enjoyed those. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and we will see you in the new year. Bye-bye.